Good morning everybody. In previous video we learned plane figures, area of a plane figures. Today class, first question, a rectangular acrylic sheet is 36 centimeters by 25 centimeters. From it 56 circle buttons, each of diameter 3.5 centimeters have been cut out. Find the area of the remaining sheets. Here first we cut the 56 circle shape buttons. Cutting after remaining area, we find the remaining area. So here rectangular acrylic sheet, here measurements are 36 centimeters and 25 centimeters. So this area we cut out 56 circular buttons. These 56 circular buttons, cutting after remaining area, we find the remaining area. A rectangular acrylic sheet 36 centimeters and 25 centimeters. From it 56 circular buttons. Here 56 circular buttons are here in this sheet, we cut it. So now each of diameter is 3.5. Diameter here given diameter is 3.5. So have been cut out. Find the area of a remaining sheet. So these 56 buttons, cutting after we find this area. Here a rectangular acrylic sheet is 36 and by 25 centimeters. So here dimensions of a rectangular acrylic sheet. Dimensions of a rectangular acrylic sheet. So here dimensions is the 36 centimeters and 25 centimeters. So 36 centimeters and 26 centimeters means here L is the 36 centimeters and breadth B is the 25 centimeters. Now here this acrylic sheet area is equal to here L into B. Area of a acrylic sheet. Here area of a acrylic sheet equal to L into B. L into B is equal to here 36 into 25. So that equal to here 900 square centimeters. So this is the area of a acrylic sheet, complete sheet area. So now here diameter is 3.5 centimeters. Each button diameter is. So here each button diameter. Here diameter is equal to 3.5 centimeters. So radius equal to here D by 2. D by 2 means here 3.5 by 2. That equal to here 2 ones are 2 sevens are 2 5s are 1.75 centimeters is the radius. Here diameter 3.5 centimeters, radius is 1.75. So now here we find the area of a circular button. So we find the area of a circular buttons. Now area of a circular buttons. Here circular buttons. Here radius is there. So is the formula is the pi r square. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. R is equal to here 1.75. 1.75. Here r square. So that's why we write whole square. 22 by 7 into here square is there. So 1.75 into 1.75. Here 7 ones are 7.25 are. 7 2s are 14. Here 14 means here 3, 35, 7 5s are 35. Here 2 digits before point is there, we write 2 digits before point. So now here multiply 22 into 0.25 into 1.75. Multiply these three numbers here 9.625 square centimeters. So 9.625 square centimeters is the here area of a circular button. So here total here 56. In question 56 circular buttons, total 56 buttons are there. So now here we find the total buttons area. Here now here area of 56 such buttons. Here 56 buttons equal to 56 into here one button area 9.625. Here multiply these two numbers 539 square. Here centimeters is the unit, square centimeters. So now here 56 total 56 buttons are there, so 56 buttons complete area is 539 square centimeters. So now here 56 buttons area, we know the 56 buttons area. Cutting off the remaining sheet area, we find sheet area means here total area minus buttons area, total area minus buttons area. So that's why we find that one here the area of a remaining sheet. Therefore the area of a remaining sheet, the area of a remaining sheet is equal to area of a rectangular sheet, area of a rectangular sheet minus area of a 56 buttons. Here area of a rectangular sheet. So area of a rectangular sheet equal to area of a rectangular sheet equal to 900. Here 56, area of a 56 buttons is 539. So 900 minus 539 is equal to 361 square centimeters is the unit. Here remaining sheet area 56 buttons, cutting off the remaining area 361 square centimeters is the final answer. So this is the first question answer complete. Next second question, find the area of a circle inscribed in a square of side 28 centimeters. A square side is given. A square side is 28 centimeters. So diameter of the circle is equal to the side of the square. So diameter of the circle, side of the square both are equal. So here in this circle diameter is 28. So 28 is the diameter, means here radius is the 14. So here we find the area of the circle. We find this area of a circle. Here this area or radius is 14. So we find that. Here diameter of the circle is equal to side of the square equal to 28 centimeters. We write that one. Diameter of the circle is equal to side of a square. Side of a square is equal to d is equal to 28 centimeters. Here d is equal to 28 centimeters. Diameter of a circle is equal to side of a square equal to d equal to 28 centimeters here given. So now here we find the circle radius. Here diameter is 28. We find the radius. So that is equal to radius r equal to d by 2. Now here d equal to 28 by 2. That equal to 14 centimeters. 14 centimeters. Now here we find the area of a circle. Here asking area of a circle. Area of a circle is equal to formula is pi r square. So now here pi is equal to 22 by 7 r. Here r is equal to 14. 14 means we write here 14 into 14. Here 14 square, r square means we write 14 into 14. 7 1s are 7 2s are 22 into 2s are 44. 44 into 14. 44 into 14. Multiply these two numbers. Here 616 square centimeters. 616 square centimeters is the area of this circle. So this one is the second one answer. Next third question, find the area of the shaded region in each of the following figures. Here two diagrams are given. We find the shaded area. First one, here hint is there d by 2. Here d by 2 diameter by 2 radius plus d by 2 this diameter. So is equal to 42. Complete length is 42. So simplify this one. Here d equal to 21. Side of the square is 21 centimeters. So side of the square means here this inner part is the square. So here this side is 21 centimeters. So now here we find the shaded area. Now here we find the shaded area. Here shaded area half circles. Here this one is half circle, half circle, half. Here 4 half circles are there. So first we find the one half circle. These are all the same radius circles. So now here we know the here diameter. This is the d is the diameter. Already here int d equal to 21 centimeters. So now here d equal to here 21 centimeters means here d is the radius. We find the radius. Here D equal to 21 centimeters. Here in this circle diameter is 21 centimeter. So now here we find the radius. Radius R equal to D by 2. D by 2 is the radius, is equal to 21 by 2. 21 by 2 is the radius, that equal to 10.5 centimeters is the unit. R equal to 10.5 centimeters. Now here we know the radius means here we find the one half circle area, semicircle area. Therefore the area of a semicircle, here area of a semicircle is equal to pi r square by 2. This is the area of a semicircle formula. Now substitute here 22 by 7 by into here r equal to 10.5 into 10.5 by 2. Here 2 ones are 2 11s are. So next here 7 is there, 7 ones are 7 ones are 7, 35, 7 5s are. Here 1 digit before point is there, we write 1 digit before point. 11 into 1.5 into 10.5. So multiply these three numbers here. Next fifth question, the adjacent figure consists of 4 half circles and 2 quarter circles. So if OA, OB, OC, OD equal to 14 centimeters, find the area of the shaded region. Now here we find the shaded region area. So here OA, OB, OD, OC, all sides are here 14 centimeters. 14 centimeters means year to year 14, year to year 14, means this diagonal is equal to this diagonal, this semicircle diagonal is equal to this semicircle diagonal. So these two semicircles areas are equal. Here less the one semicircle, here add the one semicircle. So now here this area we find out, this diagram area, here we find the quarter circle area is enough. So this is also same. Here cut the one semicircle and add the one semicircle. So these two diagonals are equal. Diagonals equal means here area equal. Next here we find the this quarter circle area. Quarter circle area means here radius is 14 centimeters. So now here we find these two quarter circles areas. Here quarter circles areas we find, use the radius 14 centimeters. Here OA, OB, OC, OD equal to 14 centimeters. So here OA, OB, OC, OD is equal to 14 centimeters. 14 centimeters means here O to A is the, this is the bigger circle, here radius. So now here radius of 1/4 part of a circle BOD. So BOD, here R equal to 14 centimeters. R equal to here BOD, R equal to radius OB is equal to 14 centimeters. Now here this is the quarter part. So now here quarter part. First we find out one quarter part. Here the area of a, therefore area of 1/4 of circle, a circle, area of 1/4 part of circle. Here area is equal to pi r square by 4. Pi r square by 4 means here pi equal to 22 by 7 into r. R equal to here 14 centimeters whole square by 4. Now here 22 by 7 into 14 by 4. So 7 ones are 7 twos are. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 ones are 2 11s are. 11 into 14. 11 14s are here, that equal to 11 into 14. 11 into 14 equal to 154 square centimeters. Here centimeters is the unit. 154 square centimeters is the area of this quarter part area. Next we find the this OAC area. Here area of 1/4 of circle. Here 1/4 of circle. Here AOC quarter part is equal to, here radius equal to 14 centimeters. So same formula we use, same formula. So final answer is equal to here 154 square centimeters. Here because here radius equal to 14 centimeters. So that's why we write this answer. So now here area of a 1/4 of AOC circle equal to 154 square centimeters. So now here we find the total this diagram area. This total diagram area is equal to, first here shaded area means these two. So now here Here this is the shaded area. Here also this is the shaded area. So less this one, this one. Here add these two half circles. Here subtracted these two semicircles. So now here the area of a shaded region. Area of the shaded region. Here area of a shaded region is equal to area of a quarter circle. Area of OBD plus area of AOC. So next here we write here area of here two semicircles. Add these two semicircles. So add these two semicircles means here area of semicircle OD. Next plus area of semicircle. Here semicircle diameter is here OC. So now we add these two semicircles. Next subtracted these two semicircles. We write any letter, just we write the diameter name. So now here plus here we subtracted two semicircles. Here area of semicircle. Here diameter is OA plus area of minus area of semicircle. Here diameter is OB. So now these two get cancelled. Here we add these two areas. That equal to here 154 is the area of OBD. Area of OBD equal to quarter circle 154. Next area of AOC equal to here plus 154. So 154. Add these two numbers here 308 square centimeters is the unit. Total shaded area. So total shaded region. Area of total shaded region. Area of total shaded region is equal to 308 square centimeters is the answer. This is the complete fifth question answer. Next, sixth question. In adjacent figure ABCD are centers of equal circles which touches externally in pairs, and ABCD is a square of side 7 centimeters. Find the area of the shaded region. Here shaded region is this yellow color region. We find this area. Here ABCD is a 7 centimeters square. Square means here 90 degrees. So first we find this square area. Next these all sectors. Here we find these 4 sectors area subtracted with square area. In an adjacent figure, ABC and D centers of the equal circles. So these are the 4 centers. So which touch exactly in pairs, and ABCD is a square. So side of 7. Suppose here these 4 sides are 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. Find the area of the shaded region. So here we find these region. These region means here we square area. First we find the square area. Next here we find the 4 quarter circles area. Add these 4 quarter circle area subtracted with square area. So now here we find the shaded area. Here to here 7 centimeters means here each circle radius is here to here 3.5. So 3.5 centimeters. Here we write the point P, and next here we write the point Q. Now here we first we write the side of a square. Side of a square. Here side of a square is equal to here AB, BC equal to CD equal to DA equal to 7 centimeters. So now here we find the area of the square. Area of a square is equal to S into S. Here S into S means 7 into 7. Here side is the 7. 49 square centimeters. Here centimeters is the area of a complete this square area. Now here we find the Here distance of A to P. A to P means here is the radius. Here radius of a circle. Here radius of a circle R is equal to side of a square by 2, that equal to here 7 by 2 is equal to 3.5 centimeters. 3.5 centimeters is a radius. Now here radius is 3.5, and next here this is the square, means here 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. 4 angles are 90 degrees. ABCD is a square. That's why here these 4 angles are 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Here 4 equal sectors are here 4 sectors. So now here the area of a sector. Here first we find the area of a sector. Here area of a sector. Here area of a sector. Area of a sector equal to here P A Q. Area is equal to A P Q. X equal to here 90 degrees. So now here radius R is equal to here 3.5 centimeters. Now here area of a, we find the area of a sector. Here area of sector. Here area of a sector equal to here APQ is equal to here sector formula is the area of a sector formula x by 360 degrees into pi r square. Here x equal to 90 degrees, 90 by 360 into pi equal 22 by 7, r equal to 3.5 into 3.5. Here 0 0 get cancelled, 9 1s are 9 4s are. So next 7 1s are 7 5s are 0.5s are. Now here 22 into 0.5 into 3.5. Multiply these numbers. 22 into 0.5 into here 2 1s are 2, 11s are 11 by 2, 11 by 2 into 3.5. Here 11 by 2 means here find 5.5 into 0.5 into 3.5. So multiply these numbers. 9.625 square centimeters. This is the area of a one sector. Here 4 sectors are there. So now here the total 4 sectors area we find that. Now here total area of 4 equal sectors. Here 4 equal sectors. 4 into 9.625. Here that equal to, multiply these numbers, 38.5 square centimeters. So 38.5. 38.5 means here we find the shaded region. Therefore area of a shaded region is equal to area of a square ABCD minus area of a 4 equal sectors minus area of 4 equal sectors. Here 4 equal sectors, that equal to area of a square ABCD is, here we first we find the 49. Next here subtracted this one. Here 49 minus 38.5, that equal to here 10.5 square meters. This is the shaded region area. Shaded area of a shaded region is equal to 10.5 square centimeters. This is the complete 6th solution. Next 7th question. The area of an equilateral triangles is 49√3 centimeter square. Taking each angular point as center, a circle is described with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle as shown in the figure. So find the area of the portion in the triangle not included in the circle. So now here shown in the given figure, find the area of the portion in the triangle not included. So here complete triangle ABC, here 3 circles not included, we find this area here. So now here this is the equilateral triangle, means 3 angles are 60 degrees. Next here ABC triangle, side is a half of here 7 centimeters. Here circle radius is 7 centimeters. So AB is the 14 centimeters. Now here we find this area. So first we find the area of the circle. After we find the one sector circle. After we find this area. Now here first we write the given data. Here equilateral triangle, area of a equilateral triangle is 49 root 3 centimeter square. So area of a equilateral triangle of an triangle ABC is equal to 49 root 3 centimeter square. So now here angular point as center, a circle is described with the radius equal to half of the length. So here half of the length of the side. Here triangle AB is equal to here 4 centimeters, radius is equal to here 2 here 7 centimeters. So now here we write the points P, Q, R. These three are the midpoints. So now here first here radius equal to R. Here each here 60, this is the equilateral triangle, means each angle is 60 degrees. So here sector angle is also 60 degrees. So now here first 3 equal circles. Here 3 equal radius circles. Equal radius circles. Here 3 equal radius circles. So radius equal to 7 centimeters. So here angle, sector angle. Here sector angle is equal to sector angle B equal to angle A equal to angle C equal to 60 degrees. So every sector angle is 60 degrees. So now here we find the area of a sector. Here area of a sector APQ is equal to, formula is the x by 360 into pi r square. Here x equal to, we take any angle 60 degrees, 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into here r equal to, here radius small r equal to, we write 7 centimeters, 7 into 7, here r square means we write here 7 into 7, 7 get cancelled, here 0 get cancelled, 6 1s are 6 6 are 36. Now next here 2 3s are 2 11s are, here 11 into 7 by 3, here 11 into 7 means here 77 by 3, that equals 77 by 3 square centimeters is the sector, one sector area. Now here we find the 3 sectors areas. Here 3 sectors areas. So here area of a area of 3 sectors. Here area of a 3 sectors equal to 3 into here this area. Here 1 sector area. 3 into 77 by 3. So 3 into 73, 3 get cancelled. Here 77 square centimeters is a 3 sectors area. So 77, this complete 3 sectors area. Now here we find the area of the portion in the triangle not included in the area. Therefore, you are asking not included area. The area of the portion in the triangles not included. Not included in the circle. Circles is equal to here area is equal to, we write the area of the triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC minus area of 3 equal sectors. 3 equal sectors. Here 3 equal sectors. Here area of ABC. Here area of ABC equal to, already we know the area. This one is the 49 root 3 in given in question. So now here we write the 49 root 3 minus 77. Here we know the, already we know the root 3 value is equal to 1.7321. This is the root 3 value. Now substitute here. Here 49 into 1.7321 minus 77. So now here multiply these two numbers is 84.8729 is coming. 84.8729. So minus 77. These two numbers subtracted 7.8729. Here units are square centimeters is the unit, is the not included area is this one, is the not included area. So now here final answer is this one. This is the complete 7th solution. Next 8th question, 4 equal circles, each of the radius A touch one another. Find the area between them. So here 4 equal circles, 4 equal circles, each of a radius a. Here radius a equal 4 circles, touch one of other, find area between them. So we find these 4 circles between area. Now here 4 equals, each of radius is a. So here to here radius a, here to here radius a, here one another, find the area between them. Here touch one another, so here touches one another circles. So now here radius is, here all circles radius is a. So this is the radius of 4 circles, 4 circles radius is a. So now here a b c d is the centers of these 4 circles. So find the area between them. So find area means here between area, this is there, we find this area. So now here we find this area. Here this area means here 1 d to c equal to here a plus a. Here 2a is the side of this square. Here also 2a is the, here to here a plus a, total this complete side is the 2a. Here to here 2a. 2a is the side of any 4 sides, any side. Here 2a is the side. Next here now we find this shaded area. So the side of a square, side of a square, here side of a square ABCD, here side of a square ABCD equal to here AB is equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Square means here 4 sides are equal. Here A plus A equal to 2A units. Here 2A units is the side of the area. So now here side of the area is equal to 2A means here. Now next here area of a square, area of a square ABCD equal to here side into side is equal to 2A into 2A, that equal to 4A square. So 4A square. So 4A square means here this is the area of this square area. Now 4 equal sectors, here 1 2 3 4 sectors are there. So here these 4 sectors are equal means here square means here this, here 90 degrees, 4 angles are 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Here 4 angles are 90 degrees. So now here we find the sector area. Here radius, now here 4 equal sectors. Here 4 equal sectors are there. So 4 equal sectors is equal to, here each sector angle, in each sector angle is 90 degrees, x equal to 90 degrees. So 90 degrees means here radius r equal to a. Here radius a equal to r equal to a. So radius a and 90 degrees means here we find the sector area of each sector. Area of each sector APQ is equal to here x by 360 into pi r square. This is the formula. So here x equal to 90 degrees by 360 into pi is equal to 22 by 7. Here r equal to a square. We write a square. So 0 get cancel. Here 9 1s are 9, 4s are. Here 4 2 2s are 2, 11s are. So now here we write the 11 by 14 a square. Now this is the area of each sector area. This is the one sector area. Now here we find the area of 4 sectors area. Therefore area of 4 equal sectors, here equal sectors is equal to 4 into this area, 11 by 14 a square. So 2 2s are 2, 7s are, that equal to here 22 by 7 a square. We write pi a square also. Both are same. So this is the area of 4 equal sectors. Now here we find the shaded region. So find the area in between them. So therefore the area of between the circles is equal to here the area of a ABCD square of ABCD minus here area of 4 equal sectors, area of 4 equal sectors, So now here ABCD area is equal to here, already we know that 4a square is a area. Next here 4 sectors a square is equal to 22 by a square. area of 4 equal sectors equal to 22 by a square. So now here we write these two. Here 4a square minus 22 by 7a square. So here we take common a square. 4 minus 22 by 7. So now here 7 4s are 28 minus 22 a square. So that equal to 6 a square by 7. This is the area of between the circles. Square units is the area of between circles. Area of between circles means this area. This is the final answer. You are asking this area. So this is the 6a square by 7 square units is the answer. This is the complete 8-bit first answer. Next, second one. 4 equal circles are described about the 4 corners of a square so that each circle touches 2 of them others. Here each circle touches 2 of them. Find the area of the space enclosed between the circumference of the circles. Each side of the square measuring 24 centimeters. Here each side of the square. Here square side is given, measuring is 24 centimeters. So now here we find the area. Now here 4 equal circles are described about the 4 corners of the square of the each circle touches 2 of the others. Here each circle touches 2 of the others. So this is the square. Find the area of the space enclosed between the circumferences. Here find the area of the enclosed circumferences. So find this area. Here we find this area. Here each side of the square measuring 24 centimeters. Here each side of the square means here this is the 24 centimeters. 24 means here A, B, C, D are the centers of these 4 circles. So now here square means here 4 are the 90 degrees angles. These 4 angles are 90 degrees. 90 degrees next here 24 means, so here radius is the, this is the radius, here also radius, these two are the radius, these two radius are here 12 centimeters. So these 4 circles radius is 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters. Now here PQ. So now here these 2 points are PQ. Now here we find this area. Here first we find the square area, square side is there. So now we find the square area. Next we find the sector area. After we find this region area from the side figure. So now here from the figure, radius of the circle is equal to here radius of the circle. Here radius of the circle is equal to here 2 radius, r plus r equal to here, r plus r equal to 24 centimeters. So 2r equal to 24. Now r equal to 24 by 2. 2 ones are 2 12s are. Here r is equal to 12. Here centimeters is the units, 12 centimeters. Here radius is the 12 centimeters. So now here from the before sum, here 8th problem, here same method. Here total the area of the between of the circles is the area is 6a square. Here a is the radius. Same here direct to use this formula. Here we find the area 6a square by 7 is the formula. The area of the shaded region is equal to 6a square by 7. So since here above sum, from above sum, so we take this one. Now we use this one. Here we know the radius a equal to here radius. Here a is equal to a is the radius. Now here r equal to 12 centimeters. Here a equal to 12. We substitute here 12. So now here shaded region, area of a shaded region. Here this 6a square by 7 equal to 6 into here a equal to, we substitute 12 square by 7. So that equal to here 12 square means 144. 6 into 144 by 7. So now here Here 6 into 144 is equal to 864 by 7. 864 divided with 7, your quotient is 123.42. So this is the shaded region area, square centimeters. So this is the shaded region area. This is the complete 8th second one. Next, 9th question. From a piece of cardboard in the shape of a trapezium ABCD, and AB is parallel to CD and BCD is equal to 90 degrees, quarter circle is removed. So given AB BC is equal to 3.5 centimeters and DE is equal to 2 centimeters. Calculate the area of the remaining piece of the cardboard. Here one cardboard is there, so we remove this quarter part, remove after part. So this yellow shaded part, we find this area. So here this quarter circle radius is 3.5. Here D2E equal to 2 centimeters. Now next here angle C, here 90 degrees. BCE equal to 90 degrees. So next AB and CD, these two are parallel lines. Now here parallel lines means here we find the trapezium area. Next here we find that this sector area. So this sector area or quarter circle area. So subtracted these two. After yellow shaded area is coming. Now we find that this area. This is the shaded area. So we find this area. Now first from this figure, the sector represent the grazing area of the horse. So now first we write the given data. Here ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to CD. And angle BCD equal to 90 degrees. The quarter circle is removed given AB is equal to here. AB is equal to BC equal to 3.5 centimeters. These two sides are 3.5 centimeters. Next DE equal to 2 centimeters. Here DE is 2 centimeters. Now calculate the area of the remaining piece of the cardboard. So we find this area, this shaded area of the cardboard. Now area, first we find the area of complete trapezium. Here area of a trapezium is equal to, here AB is equal to BC equal to AB 3.5 centimeters. Now next here another parallel side is DC. Here DC equal to DE plus EC. So here DE is equal to 2 centimeters, EC equal to 3.5 centimeters. So now here this is equal to here 5.5 centimeters is the another parallel side. Now here we know the two parallel sides and height. So now here we find the trapezium area. Therefore area of a trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 h into a plus b is the formula. Now here these values we substitute here 1 by 2. Here h is the 3.5 into a plus b, parallel sides. First one is the 3.5, next is this DC is the 5.5. 3.5 plus 5.5. Now here 1 by 2 into 3.5 into, here add these two. Add these two means here 9 means here 2 ones are 2, 4.5 are. So 3.5 into 4.5 is equal to 15.75. Multiply these two numbers, 15.75. So this is the area of a trapezium. Trapezium ABCD area is this one. So this is the trapezium ABCD, area of a trapezium ABCD. Now area of a trapezium is this one. So now here we find the sector area. This sector area here are quarter circle. Here area of a quarter circle EBC is equal to, here we find this area. This area is equal to here radius equal to 3.5 centimeters. Already we know that. So here area of a quarter circle EBC. So area of a quarter circle EBC is equal to, we write the formula. Here quarter circle formula is here pi r square by 4. This is the circle area divided with 4. So that equal to pi equal 22 by 7. Here r equal to 3.5 into 3.5 by 4. 2 here 2 2s are 2 11s are 2 1s are 2 5.5s are. Next here 7 1s are 7.5s are. So here 5.5 into 0.5 into 3.5. So multiply these all three numbers. Here 9.625 square centimeters. So now here we know the trapezium area. Next this is the quarter circle area. Now here we find the remaining portion. Here shaded region area, the area of a remaining portion. Area of a remaining portion is equal to area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium minus 1 by 4th part area of the circle. 1 by 4th of the area of the circle. Area of a circle. Here area of a trapezium is equal to 15.75. Here 1 by 4th is a 9.625. So now here simplify these two. Here 6.125 square centimeters. This is the final answer. This is the shaded region of this area is this one. This is the complete solution of 9th answer. Next 10th question. This chapter last question. A horse is placed of grazing inside a rectangular field 70 meters by 52 meters and is threaded to one corner by a rope 21 meters long. How much area can it grazing? Suppose here tag the horse. So here total thread is here rope 21 meters. So this moving this side here to here only. So this inside only. So this grazing area is this one. So now here how much area can it grazing? So here we find this grazing area only. In this question asking here horse grazing area. So this sector area is horse grazing area. So we write that one. The sector represent the grazing area of horse. So grazing area of a horse. Now here this is the rectangular field. Rectangular field means here angle is 90 degrees. Rectangular field means here angle is 90 degrees. So the angle of sector OP QOP. Here x equal to 90 degrees or angle O equal to 90 degrees. Here radius R equal to 21 meters. Now here we find the area of a sector. Area of a sector is equal to here x by 360 into pi r square. X by 360 into pi r square is equal to 90. Here x equal to 90, substitute here by 360 into pi is equal to 22 by 7. Here r equal to 21 into 21. Now here simplify this one. Here 0 0 get cancelled. Here 9 1s are 9, 4s are here 7 1s are 7, 3s are 21. Here 2 2s are 2, 11s are. Next here 2 1s are 2, 5.5. So now here 5.5 into 3 into 21. Multiply these all numbers. Here multiply these numbers. Here 346.5 square meters. So the area of a grazing. Therefore the area of grazing is equal to 346.5 square meters. So the area of this sector is equal to this one. This is the complete answer of this question. Now this exercise is completed. This is the last question. So this exercise is complete. This complete exercise notes PDF link on description is there. If you are interested, if you are needed, download it.